Today we discuss the continuity of functions of two variables. First we discuss the definition of continuity of function of two variable at any point, say AB. If we have f of xy is any function of two variable and we discuss the continuity of this function at point AB, then the definition of continuity is for each epsilon greater than 0, there exists a real number del greater than 0 such that mod of f of xy minus f of ab less than epsilon whenever mod of xy minus ab less than del. If we take circular neighborhood, then this distance become under root of x minus a square plus y minus b square less than del. So we can say that f of xy is continuous at point ab if for each epsilon greater than 0, there exists del greater than 0 such that f of xy minus f of ab less than epsilon whenever under root of x minus a square plus y minus b square less than del. And if we take square neighborhood, then this difference becomes mod of x minus a less than del and mod of y minus b less than del. So in this way, the continuity in square neighborhood become mod of f of xy minus f of ab less than epsilon whenever x minus a less than del and y minus b less than del. Now we discuss an example of a continuity of function of two variable at any point, say 0, 0. If we take f of xy equal to xy into x square minus y square plus x square plus y square whenever xy not equal to 0, 0 and f of xy equal to 0 where xy equal to 0, 0. We discuss the continuity of this function at point 0, 0. Now first we take f of xy minus f of ab if point ab. Here we have point 0, 0. So we take mod of f of xy minus f of 0, 0. The value of f of xy is xy into x square minus y square by x square plus y square minus f of 0, 0 at xy equal to 0, 0 is 0. So this become mod of xy into x square minus y square by x square plus y square. Now because we know that mod of x square minus y square either equal to mod of x square plus y square or less than mod of x square plus y square. So this quantity x square minus y square by x square plus y square less than equal to 1. When we change it by 1, this relation become less than equal to mod of x into y. So we have mod of xy minus f of 0, 0 less than equal to mod of xy. Now because we know that mod of a into b equal to mod of a into mod of b, this implies mod of xy equal to mod of x into mod of y. We can change it by x minus 0 and y minus 0. So we obtain mod of xy minus f of 0, 0 less than epsilon. ये लेस देन एप्सिलन होगा कब हमारा, जब mod of x minus 0 into mod of y minus 0 less than epsilon हो जाए. तो from this we get mod of x minus 0 less than under root of epsilon and mod of y minus 0 less than under root of epsilon. अगर हम यहाँ पे डेल को अंडर रूट एप्सिलन पुट कर दें तो हमारे पास आ जाएगा फॉर ईच एप्सिलन ग्रेटर देन 0 we have a real number del greater than 0 such that mod of f of xy minus f of 0, 0 less than epsilon whenever x minus 0 less than del and y minus 0 mod less than del. So by using continuity of function of two variable, we can say that the given function f of xy which is equal to xy into x square minus y square by x square plus y square when xy not equal to 0, 0 and 0 otherwise is continuous at point 0, 0.